If you offer several bundles on easy digital downloads, either of different software downloads, ebooks, music, etc., and you want to edit hundreds of them, you'll need to have enough time and a lot of patience to do the same procedure over and over again. To help you with this task, we have created the WP Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to save time by applying changes to hundreds of products at once, with its powerful bulk edit tool. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The WordPress Sheet Editor plugin allows you to select how many products you want to add to your bundles. By default, the spreadsheet will show you 3 columns to add 3 products to your bundles, but you can increase or decrease that number by going to the advanced settings. Now go to the EDD sheet. Select the number of products to add to the bundles in the corresponding option. And save the changes. As you can see, the spreadsheet shows you all the products, and maybe you need to select only the bundles to be able to edit them freely. To do this, we'll need to use the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll enable the advanced filters. Select the product type field. Leave equal as the operator. And write bundle here. Finally, run the search, and all the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Once you have filtered the bundles, you can edit them one by one in the spreadsheet, simply by changing the cell values you want. When you have finished making the changes you wanted, make sure to save them. Now let's see how to use the bulk edit tool. First, select the rows you want to edit. Now look for the column you want to edit. It can be the title, description, price, etc. Pick the set value option here. And enter the new value. Finally, execute the changes. Definitely, using the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin will help you save a lot of time and will simplify the tasks to manage easy digital download products. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.